Good morning, children. Welcome to Math Period. Our today's topic is number 0. Till now, we have learned numbers 1 to 9. Today, we are going to learn number 0. Before starting, let's revise previously learned numbers. You have to say the numbers along with counting fingers. Okay, children? Let's start. This is number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. This is number 0. Today we are going to learn about number 0. I have 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. 3 chocolates. I ate 1 chocolate. Now tell me how many left? Yes, 2 chocolates. 1, 2, 2 chocolates. I ate 1 more. Yummy. Now tell me how many left? 1. 1 chocolate. I ate this 1 chocolate. Now tell me how many chocolates are left? None. There are no chocolates. So we can say there are 0 chocolates. We can say there are 0 chocolates. I am having 5 rings. Let us remove 1 ring. How many rings are remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rings. Now let us remove 1 more. How many rings left now? 1, 2, 3. 3 rings. We will remove 1 more. Now tell me how many rings left? 1, 2. 2 rings. Now we will remove this one also. Now tell me how many rings left? 1. Only 1 ring. Let us remove this 1 ring. Now tell me, can you see any rings now? No, there are no rings. So we can say that there are 0 rings. There are 0 rings. So children, what did you learn? Number 0 means no object. Let us learn how to write number 0. Start from the top and make an oval all the way around. Like this, you will write number 0. Again, I will show how to write number 0. Like this, you will write number 0. Now, let us learn value of number 0. When we add number 0 after any number, the value of that number increases. I will show you how. This is number 1. When 0 is added after number 1, it becomes number 10.
This is number 2. When 0 is added after number 2, it becomes number 20. This is number 3. When 0 is added after number 3, it becomes number 30. Children, see how the value of any number increases when 0 is added after that number.
Come on children, now let us solve Numeracy course book page number 48. Let us read the instruction.
Count and write the correct number in the given boxes. Children, here we have to count and write the correct number in the given boxes. Come on, let's start. See the first set of picture. There are 2 baskets. In the first basket, there are some fruits. Let us count how many fruits are there. 1, 2. There are 2 fruits. So, we will write number 2 in the given box. Now see the second basket. Do you see any fruits in the basket? No, there are no fruits. So we can say there are 0 fruits. There are 0 fruits. So we will write number 0 in this box. Now see the next set of picture. There are 2 vases. In the first vase, do you see any flowers? No, there are no flowers. The vase is empty. So we can say there are 0 flowers. So we will write number 0 in this box. Now see the second vase. How many flowers are there in this vase? Let us count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers. So we will write number 3 in the box. Now see the next picture. There are baskets of puppies. In the first basket, do you see puppies? No, there are no puppies. So we can say that there are 0 puppies. So we will write number 0 in this box. Now see the next basket. There are puppies in this basket. Let us count how many puppies are there. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 puppies in this basket. So we will write number 3 in this box. Now see the next picture. There are 2 baskets. In the first basket, there are 2 kittens. 1, 2. 2 kittens. So we will write number 2 in the given box. Now the next basket. This basket is empty. Do you see any kittens? No. So we say that there are 0 kittens. And we will write number 0 in this box. Like this, you will complete page number 48. And the done page will look like this. Now, children, open page number 73 of Numeracy Application Book A. Let us read the instructions. Circle the basket which has 0 fruits. Trace and write 0. Children, in this picture, you can see there are baskets. We have to circle the basket which has 0 fruits. Okay, children, let us start. See the first basket. How many fruits are there in this basket? 1, 2, 3. See the second basket. How many fruits are there? 1, 2. Now, the third basket. Do you see any fruits? No, there are no fruits. So we can say there are 0 fruits. Correct. So we will circle this basket. Now you have to trace and write 0. Here also you have to trace the number 0. After tracing the 0, you have to write number 0 in the given boxes. Like this, you will complete page number 73 and the done page will look like this. Now, open page number 74 of Numeracy Application Book A. Let's read the instruction. Trace and write 0. On this page, you have to trace the number 0 and then write number 0 in the given boxes. When you will complete page number 74, the done page will look like this. So children, we are done with our today's topic number 0. Hope you all understood the concept of number 0. Keep practicing. Complete course book and application book pages and send it on Google Classroom. See you in next session. Bye.